Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use Epidemic Sound on CapCut. Before we start, if you don't have an Epidemic Sound account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get a 30-day free trial. You'll be able to test premium music, sound effects, and the main features without paying during the trial. So it's the best way to follow this tutorial with your own account. Right? The easiest way to use Epidemic Sound for CapCut is by using the application or the Epidemic Sound application. Now, where do we get it? So first up, when you're done signing up for the free trial, okay, you can go ahead and go to the app section right here at the bottom left. Just click on it and go ahead and choose your OS. It could be Mac OS or Windows OS. So for example, you're using a Windows computer, so click on Windows app right here and click on download. Save it wherever you want and then open up the installer and just follow the simple prompts. Now, once you have it installed, the application will look like this, okay? So what you'll do once you have it opened is to make sure that you are logged in into your Epidemic Sound account. Once logged in, you can now then go ahead and freely browse through the audio right here. All right, say for example, we would like to download some drama sound or audio, just like this one right here. So you can go ahead and click on preview, listen to it. You don't have to download it first before you can listen to it. To an audio or sound effects, you can just listen right here. And then if you like it, just click on download, wait for the process to finish. And then once that's done, you can go ahead and find the audio onto your file explorer. And then just go ahead over to documents. And then here under Epidemic Sound, we have music folder. And here we have it. Okay. Now to import it to your CapCut, you can just go ahead and drag and drop, just like so, or click on import right here. Find documents again, Epidemic Sound, music, and select the audio that you just downloaded. Once done, just drag and drop it to your timeline and edit it however you want. Okay? And there you have it. That's how simple it is to use Epidemic Sound on CapCut. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.